Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Apple terms and conditions have changed error in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, tap language and region, tap region, select your region. Then go back general page, tap date and time, turn on set automatically. Then go back home page, open the app store, tap icon, tap Apple ID, tap country and region, then wait for few seconds, change country or region, select your country, tap agree, again tap none, enter your first name, surname, street name, again street name, city name, enter your city postcode, enter your phone number, tap next, app store booking. Thanks for watching this video.